What up? So how do I teach myself wiring theory? Okay, we're talking residential HVAC, 240 volts with a basic residential heater for the beginner. So first we start with making a pictorial wiring diagram of a residential HVAC unit. Okay, now using the 11th edition of electricity by Cengage and the 9th edition of refrigeration by Cengage. I call that the Bible. It's a big ass book. Okay, you go over to basic residential control circuitry, page 504. They have a schematic. Now the schematic shows your L1, your L2. We'll use this as L1, we'll use this as L2. Go into your contactor L1, contactor L2. Okay, compressor, condenser fan motor, going to your capacitors. Okay, very, very basic, simple. And this is your thermostat. Okay, now this is your contactor. So, here, okay, notice one of your windings will go to your capacitor. Okay, on your compressor, this will be your start winding. Okay, capacitor. Okay, so we are looking at your compressor start winding and your condenser fan motor start winding. Okay, compressor start winding to capacitor, HERM. Okay, fan start winding to fan on capacitor. Okay, then you have what I know as your center point or your common. That will go to the same whatever L1 or L2 you use, okay, as your run winding for your compressor and your condenser fan motor. Your common on your condenser fan motor and your compressor will go to the other. So if you use your L1 for your run and your capacitor, then your L2 will be your common, okay, for your fan and your compressor. Now you can see here, okay, this would be your run, this would be your start, okay, and then they go to your contactor. Now that's how I study and kind of get to know it.